For this skirt, I am taking 2 golden blouse pieces. First you fold the 2 blouse pieces vertically, and for the measurement I am taking an old skirt. Place the skirt and mark the length. Cut off the remaining cloth. From the remaining cloth, make a small strip of about 8 cm width for the waistband. For the blouse, I have taken another contrast color blouse piece and an old top for measurement. Mark extra 1 inch for saving purpose. For the neck part, separate front cloth with the bottom and cut the neckline as per your own design or pattern. A given lining cloth for the proper fit and comfort. Place the pattern and cut off as it is. Save the skirt by giving proper pleats along with the lining cloth. Save the waistband, and for the side opening you can place a zipper or a hook as per your choice. Now the skirt is ready. You can see the elastic which I have put in the back side and hook for the side opening. And for this blouse, I have just given piping for this entire pattern, and I have given some flares for the neck. And back side, I have made a slit and given piping for both the edges, and I have made a thread pattern instead of zipper or hook because it looks more attractive and also fits for any size. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you guys with the next video. Bye bye.